to the latest on the coronavirus and surging Omicron variant. Today we are talking to Dr. Jeff Pothoff of UW Health. Dr. Pothoff, thank you for joining us this afternoon. Hey, we've heard about some people purposefully trying to catch COVID-19 to build immunity. What would you say to people who are trying to consider something like this?
Yeah, I would say it's a really bad idea. It's high risk. In the past, I think we've all heard of chickenpox parties and things like that. Those are diseases that really have exceedingly low rates of anything bad happening. And as we know, COVID-19 is not that disease. COVID-19 is bad. It can kill people. The last thing you want to do is intentionally infect yourself and then come to regret it because you're in a hospital, you're in an ICU. Something like that. So the best way to protect yourself against COVID-19 is really to be vaccinated, get that booster if you're eligible. That's the safest way to protect yourself against COVID-19.
And doctor, you may have heard some people say that the Omicron variant is signaling the end of the pandemic. World Health Organization saying it's not. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I think we also want this pandemic to be done, that we're thinking that with coming off the peak of Omicron, we might be in the clear. And it's true, we likely will be in the clear for a little while. But we still have a lot of work to do with this pandemic. We need to get the rest of the world vaccinated. There's no rule that says another variant couldn't crop up that might cause us trouble. None of us want to see it, but it's a possibility. So I still think we need to be careful, even if we do return to a period of more normal after this last surge.
And we have testing sites that are closing because of the cold all across Milwaukee. Do you think that's going to affect the spread?
I don't know if it'll affect the spread. Hopefully, this cold streak doesn't last for too long and those testing sites can get back open. But testing is a key component to understanding where the disease is, how prevalent it is, and informs folks when they need to isolate. So having testing available is always better than not having testing sites open. But hopefully, this cold streak can pass.
All right, agreed. Dr. Jeff Pothoff, thank you so much for joining us and giving us some sound advice this afternoon. A reminder for the latest on coronavirus, including information on how to get tested or find an N95 mask, visit tmj4.com/coronavirus. Up next.